We are now at Nacpan Beach in Nido Palawan. Behind me you have one of the most prettiest beach in the Philippines. The sand is very clear if you want to swim. There are no stones or reefs or corals here on the shore. It's very pretty. We are enjoying the beach here. Let me show you some of the clips I got from the drone and the camera of the Nacpan Beach. So we are staying at a small resort here called SEASIDE HUE Resort. It's just on the beach, nothing fancy or expensive, but it's clean and it's relatively new, about 1 year. Not many accommodation right now on the beach here, but it's growing and it's coming up. So there are like many establishing popping up here. I'm gonna go now catch up with Cheryl and have lunch. Sitting in the resort, baby Elijah John is here in the marsupial. I'm not sure if you can see him. He's in the marsupial. We are staying here at the SEASIDE HUE. Hue. SEASIDE HUE. 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 Fun. Check out the lunch. Chicken joy. Chicken alubo. What are you having?
I'm having pork ribs.
Let's eat. Kain kayo. We are now going to the beach to do some pictures. It's time for the sunset. So we have the golden hour. What are your impressions of this beach? Do you like it? Is it different to Boracay? No? Boracay is way better, said Cheryl. We can only take picture like that morning. When the sun is that way. We have to go against the sun. Though the nice area for pictures is there with the islands, the small islands. But we will just try to go and do it this way from here to there.
What are you doing?
I'm just dancing with the baby. We got here, baby Elijah John is in the marsupial. I am now a pregnant kangaroo. Good morning from Nacpan Beach. Just behind here you have like couple of small islands. Very picturesque place. The water is nice. You have this turquoise bluish water. It's a very nice beach. Sand. Overall I would say it's a pretty beach here. Nacpan Beach near Nido Palawan.
And we are just roaming around here, checking the height of this beach. Apparently, a lot of people are saying that it's the most beautiful.
It's the prettiest beach in the Philippines.
Yeah, that's what they are saying.
It earns its title. It's worth coming to see it. Even if you don't stay here and just rent a motorcycle and come in for the day at the beach here. There's a lot of construction going, so there will be a lot of probably resorts coming up here, inns and all of that.
I think it's an up and coming beach resort or beach place destination in the Philippines. The way I see it, it is like perfect for just like chilling around and going into the water and splashing around. The sand itself is not as cute and nice as the sand comparing to the sand of Boracay.
I mean, it's very powdery and it's not full white.
Yeah, not full white.
But it's very powdery. But going in the water is very nice. It's like shallow and calm and not big waves.
Yeah, but that is also the same like in Boracay.
Yeah, and there are no stones and reefs. It's very nice.
I think the best here is that it is not crowded.
We'll wrap it up here. We're gonna fly back to Manila, and we have a flight from here to Manila, and then from Manila back to Dubai.
It's going to be El Nido Airport to Manila Airport to Dubai Airport, one after another.
Airport, boarding, going to Manila. Hello baby, kumusta baby? Today we are flying Air Swift for the first time. Boarding on the way to Manila. We hope you enjoy watching this video.
Remember to share it, give us a like, and comment below.
And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks and see you on the next one.